Hello guys, how are you today? I hope you're fine. Today we're going to talk about a new topic which is the biotechnology. Let's know what is biotechnology. It's a broad area of biology involving the use of living systems and organisms to develop or make products. These products are useful to human beings. So here in biotechnology, humans use useful microorganisms like bacteria and fungus to produce useful products. Let's see how. Here we have microorganisms are classified into useful organisms and not useful organisms. The useful organisms are classified those which are used by people or humans, okay, to make food and medicine. These and also useful organisms in the ecosystem play a role in decomposing dead organic matter into useful inorganic materials which are used by the plants, and we call it recycled nutrients. What are the uses of bacteria? So microorganisms can be used by humans to produce food and other useful substances. The most common type, of course, type of microorganism is the bacteria, and they are useful because they are capable of producing complex molecules. Okay, example: bacteria added to milk produces enzymes that turn milk into yogurt. So it's very easy to make milk by in the presence of certain bacteria, useful bacteria, which changes milk into yogurt, okay, where reproduction takes place. Let's see how biofuels are formed from living microorganisms. So yeast is a single-celled fungus that uses sugar as its food source. When the yeast respires, ethanol and carbon dioxide are produced and the energy is released. So during anaerobic respiration in yeast, glucose is converted into ethanol and carbon dioxide, where ethanol is considered as the biofuel. So alcohol produced by fermentation of glucose can be used as a biofuel. So ethanol produced in this reaction is increasingly being used as a biofuel. So there are now two ways of making fuel: from living organisms or microorganisms, okay, as we said now, and also we talked about the production of fossil fuels from like the coal, oil and gas from the decomposition of dead organic matter for millions of years. So here biofuel is partly replacing petrol as a fuel for cars and other vehicles. Bread making. Yeast will respire anaerobically if it has access to plenty of sugar, even if oxygen is available. This is taken advantage of bread making, where the yeast is mixed with the flour and water and respires anaerobically, producing carbon dioxide. So here the yeast respires anaerobically, okay, and to produce carbon dioxide, okay, from the sugar, and this carbon dioxide helps the bread dough to rise. Okay, this is, we know the equation of now. Glucose is converted into ethanol plus carbon dioxide. So we take here carbon dioxide is useful for making the bread dough rise. Lactose-free milk. So sometimes this is a new. Sometimes in the supermarket you can find milk which is has that are lactose-free milk. Okay. Let's see how. Lactose is the sugar found in the milk. So in the milk there is a substance called lactose. So human babies are born with the ability to produce lactase enzyme. So the babies have this enzyme which is called lactase. It breaks down the lactose, okay, into it breaks down lactose, okay. In certain areas of the world, many people lose the ability to produce lactase as they get older. So when people get older, what happens? They don't have lactase enzyme, okay. So this means they can become lactose intolerant and react badly to lactose in the milk and produce products made from the milk. So what happens? These people have certain symptoms, okay, if they drink milk with lactose, okay. Lactose intolerance include nausea, flatulence, and diarrhea. So these are the symptoms that the person gets as their digestive system is upset by the lactose, okay, due to the lactose. Milk can be made lactose free by adding the enzyme lactase to it, so, and leaving it to stand for a while to allow the enzyme to break down the lactose, okay. So here this enzyme is placed in the milk to convert lactose into sugar. Penicillin is the first antibiotic discovered in 1928 by Alexander Fleming. He noticed that some bacteria he had left in a petri dish had been killed by the naturally occurring penicillin mold. So the penicillin mold produces a chemical to prevent it being infected by certain types of bacteria. I hope that you enjoyed today's lesson, and please, if you like the video, subscribe to my channel and make like. Thank you for now, and I hope and bye.